Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you these beautiful printed top and bottom sets. So these are very affordable ones and very easy for daily maintenance. They priced at $9.90. Check the description for the direct link to these products. So the first one I'm going to open and show you. These are very comfortable for summers and our climatic conditions. That's the bottom. And we have a few prints in these. This is another beautiful pastel shade, a peach color. So you can search on our website using the product code also. This is a bright one, a yellow and blue combination. Next one is a pink, a pretty combination that one is. All are very pleasing colors, so please check the description and book it directly on our website. All are singles. Thank you.